Hello, this is Online Queues, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how you can create an Instagram posts with reminders for your events attached. As a creator or brand, you can now create Instagram posts with reminders for your upcoming events, such as performances, video premiere or announcement. To create Instagram posts with reminders for your event, first create a new Instagram feed post. Under New Post, add a caption for the post and now tap Add Reminder. Enter your event title and select your start time. You can also include an optional end time. Finish creating your post and tap Share. Now, when people see your Instagram post, they can choose to receive a reminder for your event. They'll receive 3 notifications for the event: an activity feed notification 24 hours before the event, an activity feed and push notification 15 minutes before the event, and an activity feed and push notification at the time of the event. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.